Take a look at the VEVOR impulse sealer. So it actually comes with an extra band, with extra contacts, and with extra fuses. So that's nice. So it is just a clamp style. We've got our fuse holder right here. So if we ever need to replace a fuse, spin that out, and then we can swap out that fuse. So nice and easy to work on. I always like seeing that. On the front, we got our instructions. We got some warnings. And then on the side, we've got our adjustment. And this is a bag from a vacuum sealer machine. So I'm going to use that in here. All we have to do is set it up, press down. We can see the red light came on. It's already off, so we are done. Wow, that was super quick. And we can see that line on there. That is awesome. So yeah, I'm super impressed with that. That's really crazy. So I can cut this guy open. Maybe I want to reuse the bag. Wow, that is cool. All right, so what I'm curious about now, if I got a bag like this, will it still work on that? So something I've torn open, but I want to put some screws or something in there. Will it work with that? Yep. Same thing. So that is cool. So if I've got a bag like this and I just need to tear it open but I only need to pull one screw out, I can actually fully reseal it when I'm done. That is really cool. Neat. And since I got this bag here that came with it, but I don't want to lose any of this stuff, let's just see if it works with that. Turn the heat up. There we go. Pretty cool. Yeah, I am very happy with that.